नहीं नहीं किसी शुरू भी नहीं
Good
करेंगे.
evening, everyone. First of all, thank you so much for taking out time to attend this soapbox. I am Bhuvan and President Hopeful for Emerging Markets Club. Why did I choose emerging markets? Why focus on emerging markets? Let's look at some inspired from Professor Max, a data point. Red indicates developed economies, blue indicates developing economies. Share in global GDP. 1990, 30%. This data is from IMF, so credible source. 2018 estimated, emerging markets 55%. So that's clearly where the growth is. And if data is not enough, let's look at what the most sought after company in this campus says. Emerging market consumers will become the dominant force in the global economy by 2025. So we know the growth story is here, but at the same time, emerging markets need future leaders because we are marked with various challenges, political, economic, social. So, and I think this college can contribute a lot to it. Why me? Why me for the post of president? I have worked in 3 different emerging geographies: India, Middle East, and South Africa. I have done extensive work for various clients in developing economies, including Southeast Asia, Middle East, Africa, and Eastern Europe, and across sectors, which includes public sector, technology, energy, tourism, and the list is very long. So, I've got a fairly good understanding of how the businesses function in these economies, what sort of challenges the businesses face, and what can be the potential growth areas in the coming years. In college, in engineering college, I was the president of entrepreneurship cell, and whereby I organized several large-scale events, many of which actually engaged industry participants from media, which brings me to the next point, that helped me develop a strong network with local industry associations, for example, TIE Chandigarh, and local entrepreneurs. And I believe I can leverage these networks to help bring speakers for various events. In addition, I've held various other positions of responsibility in college and office. My vision. If I have to just pick up one line, I'll just say that through this club, I want to support ISB in its mission to be the go-to school for all professionals and students interested in developing economies. How do I plan to achieve this? So it's a threefold agenda. First, building knowledge and awareness. How do we go about it? Conducting speaker sessions on issues pertinent to emerging geography. So for example, on education, on rural development, on public policy formulation, etc. Then there was a very interesting initiative that was planned by the previous class. It never took off, but I plan to undertake it this year. That's Slice of Shadow Policymaker Initiative. It's very similar to Shadow CEO concept, but much less costly. So, other than that, I want to organize domestic and international study treks in emerging geographies, publish a monthly club newsletter which will be highlighting what are the recent trends, what are the key developments that are taking place, it would also highlight the club's various activities. And most importantly, I want to encourage each one of us to conduct presentations on relevant areas and matters. Second, focus on networking and brand building through inter-college competitions. And there's another initiative I want to start, that's informal culture sensitization events. So we can invite delegates, students, academicians from different emerging geographies who can sensitize us about the cultural and social issues being faced in their respective countries. Then finally, and the most important, career development. I know everyone says emerging geography is not a career-oriented club, but I beg to differ. There are many amongst us who want to actually pursue career in sectors such as public policy, education, rural development, which are very focused on emerging geographies. So let's try to build strong relationships with public policy think tanks, social entrepreneurs, consulting firms, and intergovernmental organizations. And there's one point missing. So which says conduct talks by professionals in this relevant space. Thank you.
इसे बंद कैसे करते हैं?